Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Skylight calendar is showing outdated appointments or newly added events aren't appearing on the screen, you're likely dealing with a synchronization issue. Event update problems can happen because of internet interruptions, account authorization problems, delayed syncing, or temporary software glitches affecting the Skylight calendar. Even though your calendar service may be working fine on your phone, the display itself might need a refresh. Fortunately, there are several simple things you can try before considering a full reset. In this video, I'll walk you through a few troubleshooting steps that may help get your Skylight calendar updating events properly again. Try these. Step 1. Verify that recent events have been added correctly to the account linked with the Skylight calendar. Step 2. Make sure the Skylight calendar is connected to a stable Wi Fi network. Step 3. Check the account associated with the Skylight calendar and confirm it is still signed in properly. Step 4. Restart the Skylight calendar to refresh the synchronization process. Step 5. Look for available software updates for the Skylight calendar and install them if necessary. Step 6. Confirm that the Skylight calendar is displaying newly added events and syncing normally again.